Welcome students. In this video, we are going to discuss the practical on Stefan-Boltzmann apparatus. Aim of the experiment: to determine the Stefan-Boltzmann constant experimentally. Theory: the substances emit thermal radiations. When heat radiation is incident over a body, part of radiation is absorbed, transmitted through, and reflected by the body. A surface which absorbs all thermal radiation incident over it is called black surface. For black surface, transmissivity and reflectivity are 0 and absorptivity is unity. Stefan-Boltzmann law states that emissivity of a surface is proportional to fourth power of its absolute surface temperature. That is, E is directly proportional to T raised to 4, or we can say that E is equals to sigma into epsilon into T raised to 4, where E is emissive power of the surface and its unit is watt per meter square. T is the absolute temperature, sigma is the Stefan-Boltzmann constant, epsilon is emissivity of the surface. Value of Stefan-Boltzmann constant is taken as 5.667 into 10 raised to minus 8 and its unit is watt per meter square Kelvin raised to 4. For black surface, epsilon is equals to 1. Hence, above equation reduces to emissive power of the surface is equal to sigma into fourth power of surface temperature. Description and specification of the apparatus. The apparatus consists of water heated jacket of hemispherical shape. A copper test disc is fitted at the center of the jacket. The hot water is obtained from a hot water tank fitted to the panel, in which water is heated by an electric immersion heater. The hot water is taken around the hemisphere so that hemisphere temperature rises. The test disc is then inserted at the center. Thermocouples are fitted inside the hemisphere to average out hemisphere temperature. Another thermocouple fitted at the center of the disc measure the temperature of test disc. A timer with a small buzzer is provided to note down the disc temperature at the time interval of 5 seconds. Specifications: hemispherical enclosure diameter 200 mm, water jacket for the heating of hemispherical enclosure, base plate is 240 mm, sleeves diameter 44 mm, test disc diameter is 20 mm, mass of test disc is 0.007 kg, specific heat of the test disc is 877 joule per kg Kelvin. Number of thermocouples on hemispherical enclosure are 4. Number of thermocouples on the disc is 1. Temperature indicator is 0 to 200 degrees Celsius. Immersion water heater and tank for the hot water. Procedure: the water in the tank is heated by immersion heater up to the temperature of about 95 degrees Celsius. The disc is removed before pouring the hot water in the jacket. The hot water is poured in the water jacket. The hemispherical enclosure unit will come to uniform temperature in short time after filling the hot water in the jacket. The disc is now inserted. Record the temperature indicated by thermocouple at an interval of 5 seconds. Precautions: ensure that electrical and thermocouple connections are correct. Note down the temperature of disc immediately after the hot water is allowed to fall on the hemispherical shell.
Okay, so this is the setup for Stefan-Boltzmann apparatus. So in this particular experiment, we are going to find the Stefan-Boltzmann constant for the hemisphere. So this experiment actually based on your third mode of heat transfer, what we call as a radiation. Okay. Now in front of you, you can see a setup. At the topmost side, one steel vessel which is to be provided. Inside that vessel, the water is filled, and the water is get boiled. After water gets boiled, you have to drain that water, and that water to be comes in this particular another vessel. Now you can see the inside of this vessel. You can see the hollow hemisphere is there. Okay. On that hollow hemisphere, the 4 thermocouples are to be mounted. And at the bottom you can see one disc basically. So we need to take this disc as a T5 temperature. What you need to do, first of all you have to remove this disc, you have to keep aside. This is actually I am giving the procedure. You have to heat the water, you have to boil the water almost for 85 degrees Celsius temperature. After that you have to drain that all water inside this vessel. Okay, so now I will show you. Okay, now water is gets boiled, and now you have to switch off the heat. Okay, now from this you have to drain the water in this particular vessel. Okay, now we will wait to fill this vessel. Actually, here you can see the outlet. After drain all the water, then we can off that cork. Now you can see the water is coming out from this pipe. Okay, now you have to okay. Okay, so now this container is filled with the water, hot water. So basically, the hemisphere, the heat is given to the hemisphere, and that hemisphere is heat is given at the bottom of this disc. So basically, that hemisphere is hollow. So with help of radiation, how the heat is going to be transferred, we are that going to be find out. So first of all, you take down the temperature T1 to T4, which is mounted on the disc. They are basically these are mounted on the vessel. Will always have the high temperature. So I will take down the reading. The T1 temperature. Then T2 temperature. T2 temperature you can take. T3 temperature. I will take 71.1. T4 temperature 71.2. Now what you have to do, you have to now make the temperature indicator for T5. Okay. Now you can see this disc is at lower, so he is showing actually the room temperature. So at 0 second, basically you have to note down, okay, which is 32.5. Now what you have to do, you have to attach this disc to this. It is attached to at the base, and you have to now take down the temperature at 5 second interval of time. So at 0 second, well, already we note down. Now we will take at 5 seconds of interval. So quickly you have to note down all at 20 seconds, at 25 seconds, and at 30 seconds, and at 35 seconds. Okay?
Observations. Mass of test disk is 0.007 kg. Specific heat of the disk material is 877 joule per kg Kelvin. Diameter of disk is 0.02 meter. Observation table. Temperature of first thermocouple is 75.7 degrees Celsius. Second thermocouple's temperature is 72.2 degrees Celsius. Third thermocouple temperature is 71.1 degrees Celsius. And fourth thermocouple's temperature is 71.2 degrees Celsius. For fifth thermocouple, we are taking the reading at 5 interval of time. At 0 second, temperature reading is 34.4 degrees Celsius. For 5th second, temperature reading is 34.8 degrees Celsius. At 10 second, reading is 35 degrees Celsius. At 15 second, reading is 35.1 degrees Celsius. At 20 second, temperature reading is 35.2 degrees Celsius. At 25 second, temperature reading is 34.6 degrees Celsius, and at 30 second, temperature reading is 35.3 degrees Celsius. Calculations. Average temperature of shell is 345.55 Kelvin. Average temperature of disk at the instance it is inserted, that is at 0 second, temperature is 34.4 degrees Celsius. Obtain the slope from the graph, which is equals to 0.023. Value of Stefan-Boltzmann can be obtained by following formula, and the value is 4.21 into 10 raised to minus 10 watt per meter square Kelvin raised to 4. Conclusion. The practical value of Stefan-Boltzmann constant is 4.21 into 10 raised to minus 10 watt per meter square Kelvin raised to 4. The standard value of Stefan-Boltzmann constant is 5.67 into 10 raised to minus 8 watt per meter square Kelvin raised to 4. Thank you.